Neolithic Sites in India explained Burzahom, Gufkral, Ahar and Gilund. UGC Net Anthropology. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. Anthronet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Anthronet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Neolithic Sites in India. The Neolithic Age, New Stone Age, marks the beginning of agriculture, domestication of animals, and permanent settlements. Important Indian Neolithic regions: Kashmir Valley, Rajasthan, Vindhyan region, South India. Important sites: Burzahom, Gufkral, Ahar, Gilund. These sites show the transition from hunting, gathering to agriculture and settled life. Burzahom. Location: near Srinagar in Kashmir Valley. Located on Kharwa deposits. Period: c. 3000 BCE, 1000 BCE. Important features: famous for pit dwellings, underground houses. Houses reached by steps or ladders. Evidence of hunting and agriculture. Tools made of stone and bone. Pottery, grey burnished ware. Other discoveries: dog burial with humans. Engraving of hunting scenes on stone slabs. Later phase shows megalithic culture, menhirs. Exam keywords: pit dwellings, bone tools, dog burial, Gufkral. Location: Tral area, Pulwama district, Kashmir Valley. Meaning: Guv equals cave, Kral equals potter. Period: early Neolithic to megalithic phases. Important findings: polished stone tools, bone tools and needles, ring stones, pounders, scrapers. Evidence of early agriculture and domestication. Significance: shows transition from hunting to farming culture. Similar cultural pattern as Burzahom. Ahar. Location: near Udaipur in Rajasthan, on the Ahar River. Culture: part of Ahar-Banas culture. Period: c. 2000 to 1200 BCE, Chalcolithic. Important features: black and red ware pottery. Evidence of copper metallurgy. Houses made of mud and stone. Agriculture and animal domestication. Important crops: wheat, barley. Exam keywords: copper tools, black and red ware pottery, Gilund. Location: Rajsamand district, Rajasthan. Culture: major site of Ahar-Banas culture. Period: 3000 to 1700 BCE. Important discoveries. Large settlement mound. Mud brick houses. Workshops for craft production. Terracotta figurines, especially bulls. Stone tools and bead-making evidence. Economy. Agro-pastoral economy. Agriculture plus livestock. Comparison table. Site region period key feature. Burzahom Kashmir 3000 to 1000 BCE pit dwellings. Gufkral Kashmir Neolithic bone and stone tools. Ahar-Rajasthan Chalcolithic copper and black red ware. Gilund Rajasthan 3000 to 1700 BCE Ahar-Banas culture. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.